Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Today I will be making frijoles puercos. For you guys that don't know what it is basically beans, and it has everything with pork, which is bacon, pork salchichas, and also chorizo, pork chorizo. So that's it, and stay tuned for my recipe. Okay, so here I have 3 pounds of beans. And then here I have my salchichas, which are winnies or hot dogs, whatever you want to call them. And then I have my pork chorizo, bacon, scallions, which are cebollitas verdes. And then I have cilantro here. And I also have Nuevo Mexico chiles, and a whole onion, 1 tablespoon of salt. And for these, I just like to boil my beans with the Nuevo Mexico chilies. I will be cutting them in slices or whatever, however you guys want to cut them, just to make it easier to eat. But that's it. These are all the ingredients. Okay, so here I have 8 cups of water boiling, my 1 tablespoon of salt, and then the beans. Also, here goes the onion. And then I went ahead and cut my chilies, Nuevo Mexico, like this. That's just for, basically just for color and a little bit of flavor. They're not too spicy. And that's it. You let it boil for at least 2 hours. Okay guys, so my beans are ready. I did go ahead and add another ½ teaspoon of salt. Just because I felt like it needed a little bit more. And then I went ahead and I cut everything into bite size. As I'm frying it and it's done, I'm gonna be dumping it into the beans. And then that's it. I'll be doing the same thing with the scallions, with the cilantro. Actually, the cilantro, I will be putting it in fresh. And that's it. All I need is the chorizo and the salchichas to be fried. Okay guys, so I went ahead and add the salchicha into the same pan that I was frying the bacon. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add them in. So my chorizo is ready. I did put the scallions in. I didn't leave them for long. So now I'm just going to throw it all in. Okay, so now I'm just going to mix it all. As you can see, it's coming along well. And then now I'm just going to throw the whole bunch of cilantro that I had there. Just mix it. If you feel like you need to add more water, you're more than welcome to. Just always taste your salt to see if you need any more. But for me, this is perfect. And that's it. My beans are ready. So this is the end result of my frijoles puercos, and I'm going to be tasting it. So delicious. I haven't made them in a long time, and they're super good. So that's it. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you guys liked today's recipe, and if you guys are interested to see more videos and recipes, go ahead and subscribe on my channel. Turn on your post notifications. You get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.